Na-disable yung Facebook ko for 180 days. Ito yung message sa akin ng Facebook last April 26. Tinry ko naman siyang i-appeal, pero ang sabi, this has been permanently disabled. Ang sad lang guys, kasi hindi lang Facebook, pati itong main TikTok ko is nawala din. Alam nyo yung ang dami ng engagement, ang dami ng earnings, tapos sasabihin lang ni TikTok na it was permanently banned. So, instead na malugmok ako, is gumawa na lang ako ng bagong TikTok, and here, napapanood nyo ako. But, Facebook, honestly, hindi na ako babalik. Hindi ko man alam yung exact violation ko, but instead na ma-stress, I took it as a sign. I realized na parang ang gulo na ng social media ngayon. Too much ads, too much spam, too much noise. So, I decided na to move somewhere na simple lang, somewhere peaceful. And here's what I like it now. Dito sa Friendster. So, dito walang overwhelming ads. Less yung spam, more genuine people. Hindi din toxic yung feed. Kasi dito guys, available nga pala to sa mga Apple user lang muna. Then, ang kagandahan din dito, ang pwede mo lang i-add is yung mga personal mong kilala. Yes, no suggestion, no random people. Ayun, bongga. So, simple lang. Punta ka lang sa Apple store and then download mo lang yung Friendster. Tapos, mag-register ka lang, display name, then that's it. Taran! That's my profile. Sobrang simple lang niya, diba? So, ang maganda dito, you connect with the people you actually know, not just random content. Mas calm talaga yung experience dito, parang social media data, diba? So, if you want to add as a friend, click mo lang yung add a friend. Then, maghahanap na siya ng nearby phones. Yun. Parang Bluetooth, you just tap it and then accept, diba? So, at this point in my life, I don't need validation or any endless scrolling. Gusto ko lang talaga ng peace and real connection. That's why I'm here. I download Friendster and dito lang ako sa TikTok. If you feel the same, maybe it's time to try something different. So, that's all. See you on Friendster, guys.